Welcome to another Toyota video, my 1991 Celica GT. And in this video the main objective will be sorting out the rear brakes that are binding. So I'm basically continuing with the Kaizen thing, you know, continuous improvement. That's been a while since last video. And one thing I do is I'm going to put the battery on charge because it's a rundown. I might have to replace that, but cross that bridge if I get to it. But the main objective of this video is to sort out the rear binding brakes. It's just lack of use, really. That's not good for any car, even a Toyota. So what I'm going to do is, well, I did look at the brakes when I freed them off before, and I noticed that one of the dust seals are torn. Now, new brakes are either expensive or unobtainium, most likely discontinued by Toyota themselves, or I could get them reconditioned, which is still not cheap. But the third option, which I'm going for, is to basically take the caliper apart and replace all the seals. So that's the objective of this video. So get this caliper off and get it all taken apart, and we'll basically refurbish it with new seals. Well, I jumped onto eBay and I bought a pair of caliper seal kits, one for each side. So what I need to do is get this caliper off, and obviously I've already got the wheel off ready. So it's just a 12mm bolt at the bottom. Just undo that bottom caliper bolt, and I'm just hoping these seals fit. But you'll see why I've elected to change the seals. I just pull. Let's have a look. So there's a caliper bolt. Just need to swing this caliper up like so. Now you can see why I've decided to change the seals, because that one is absolutely past it. So pull this caliper off and get all these seals out. So I've got a caliper off the caliper carrier, and just looking at this seal kit just to compare it. I think it's going to be right. It's looking to be right, so I think we're going to be all good there in the hood. And I've got to find some way of getting this piston out. I think I'll just try I'm not worried about damaging the seal, because that's going to be wasted. So I think I'll use my pliers and see if I can just pull this piston out. I'll do that off camera because it's going to be a struggle. Well, that went easier than I expected, and instead of trying to pull it out, I thought I'll take the easy way out and just press on the brake pedal to push it out. Why struggle when there's an easy way? So it's nearly out, and it's leaking fluid, which is why I got this bowl underneath there, because I knew that was going to happen. So I can't really do this one-handed, so I should be able to pull that out, and then I can start fitting the new seal. Right, I don't know when you're going to see this, but the seal, it's held in by, there's like a circlip. I don't know if you can see that. And once I've got that out, it should be able to get the rest of that seal off. It was destroyed, so yep, this was the right call. And these were less than 20 quid, I think, something like £17 odd for the pair on eBay. I can put an eBay link in the description. So I'm going to get all this out off camera, and then we can start fitting the new part. Comparing the new parts to the old, I'd say they were the same, so we're all good. So after a bit of struggling, I managed to get a new seal on. Hopefully that should work. and then rinse and repeat on the other side. So I'm all done and dusted. The brakes aren't binding anymore, and the brakes are still working. I nearly forgot to top up the fluid reservoir. On these it's under the strut brace. You've got to take a strut brace off to get to the brake fluid reservoir. Anyway, I've got it topped up and brakes are working, so I'm going to call that a confirmed fix. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's another improvement, another little step along the way towards roadworthiness, as per the philosophy of Kaizen. So hope you enjoyed this. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.